Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for History Exam Class 12 Full Guide. Start by mapping the syllabus into themes and chapters, then prioritize topics by weight and personal weakness. Set realistic daily goals and use active recall, not passive rereading. Create timelines, mind maps, and compare multiple sources for balanced views. Schedule weekly revisions and timed practice essays to build speed and clarity before the exam. Focus your notes on causes, effects, and significance to make revision efficient. Convert lengthy paragraphs into short bullet points, timelines, and labeled mind maps that TTS can read smoothly. Create question cards for key figures, events, and terms, and practice them aloud daily. Mix source comparisons into notes so you can explain differing perspectives. End each week with a short timed essay to synthesize learning and spot gaps. Thanks for watching so far. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more practical study tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long revision blocks and looks great on your desk. Check the video description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Grab water, stretch, and reset your focus. Now let's get back to the video. Simulate exam conditions regularly with past papers to train pacing and stress management. Draft model answers focusing on clear introductions, evidence-led paragraphs, and concise conclusions. Record yourself answering questions to evaluate clarity and flow, then revise weak sections. Track recurring mistakes and adjust study focus accordingly. Prioritize essay structure and source analysis during the last 2 weeks and keep revision active with short, frequent focus sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.